Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And if you've just gotten a brand new Google Pixel 7a and you're wondering whether the case and the screen protector from the Google Pixel 6a are going to work on the Pixel 7a or not, well, that is what we're going to cover in this video. So let us take off the case from the Google Pixel 6a and try to put it on the Google Pixel 7a which we have. So does the case fit? Yes, but do note that the Pixel 7a is a tad bit wider than the Pixel 6a, and you can actually see the blue color of the frame in this case. As for the bottom does line up but not perfectly, because you can see that the speaker grills are not lined up perfectly fine, or they are not centered. For the buttons, you see that volume down, well, this is strange because the volume down is actually mapped to volume up, and the power button, yeah, that is mapped perfectly fine. For the top, does the noise cancelling mic hole line up perfectly? No, it does not line up perfectly, and of course this is how the back is going to look like. So clearly you cannot use the case from the Google Pixel 6a on the Pixel 7a. Next up, what about the screen protector? Because both the 6a and the 7a have a 6.1-inch flat display. So this here is a tempered glass screen protector for the Google Pixel 6a. And let us see if this one is going to line up perfectly on the Pixel 7a or not. And surprise, surprise, everything lines up pretty good. You just have to make sure that it is straight and it is going to work absolutely fine. So yes, the screen protector from the Pixel 6a is going to work like a boss on the Pixel 7a. And before you ask me, Himanshi, what about the Pixel 7? Will the case from the Pixel 7 work like a boss on the Pixel 7a or not? Well, here it is. This is a case from the Pixel 7. As you can see, for starters, it is a bit on the looser side. The camera again does not line up pretty good. Surprisingly, the power button and the volume up and volume down buttons, they line up absolutely fine and are super tactile. And here it is, this is how the bottom is going to look like. And on the top, the noise cancelling mic cutout does not line up with that on the Pixel 7 case, and the phone inside is a Pixel 7a. So there it is peeps, hopefully that answers some questions for you. And if you want to buy the Pixel 6a screen protector which I am using on your Pixel 7a or the Pixel 6a, it is linked in the description of this video.